Exercise 4.3, question number 1. The diameter of the circle is 52 centimeter and the length of one of its chord is 20 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. Here they have given a circle. Okay, in a circle, the diameter of its circle is given. It is given as 52 centimeter. The length of the chord also given. It is given as 20 centimeter. We have to find the distance between the center to the chord. Okay, this distance we have to find. Just I am extending this. Okay, just I will join AO and BO so that we will get two right angle triangles. Now, if it is 52 centimeter, the diameter is 52 centimeter. What about the radius? Radius is half of the diameter. So 52 by 2, it is 26 centimeter. So I can say this as radius as well as this is also radius, because radius is a line that is from center to a part of a circle. It is called radius. Okay. Now here I have taken this right angle triangle separately. Here OA, since it is radius, the length it is 26 centimeter, and it is given that the length of the chord is 20 centimeter. We know that by a theorem, if a line from a center, if it is perpendicular to the chord, then this line bisects the chord. That means it divides the chord into two equal parts. If it is 20, then half of it will be 10. Therefore, the value of AC is 10 centimeter. So, in this right angle triangle, here it is right angled. By Pythagoras theorem, we can say that the square of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means the opposite side of the right angle. It is called hypotenuse. The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. AO square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, that is AC square plus CO square. So AO square is equal to AC square plus CO square. Okay. Now we'll write, this is question number 1. In triangle ACO, we have angle C equal to 90 degree. It is right angle at C. Okay, this place it is our C. Here it is right angle at C. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, actually in British English we'll say Pythagoras theorem, and in American English we'll say Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so both are same only. By Pythagoras theorem, we can say that AO square is equal to AC square plus CO square. That is AO square, this is hypotenuse. It is equal to AC square plus CO square. We know that AC square value it is, and AO square value also we know it is 26 square equal to AC, it is 10. So 10 square plus CO. This is what we have to find out. So we'll have it as CO itself. CO square. Now we should find the value of 26 square. What is 26 square? 26 into 26. 6 6 are 36. Remaining 3. 2 6 are 12. Plus 3 15. 2 6 are 12. Remaining 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1. So 6 5 2 7 6. It is 676 equal to 10 square value 100 plus CO square. We need to find CO square, so we'll have it this side and we'll bring this 100 to another side. It will become subtraction. So 676 minus 100 equal to CO square. It is 576 equal to CO square. Now we'll take a square root on both sides. Therefore root 576 equal to CO. Square root and this square will get cancelled. Okay. Now we'll find the value of 576 by prime factorization method. We'll divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. 8 2s are 16, remaining 1. Again 8. Now 2, 1, 4, 4. Again divided by 2. 7, 2, 36, 18, 9, 3, 3. Okay. So out of these two numbers we'll take out one number. From these two we'll take out one. From these two one. From these three numbers, that is from these two threes we'll take out one number. Therefore 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 3 it is 24. Therefore the value of CO is equal to 24 centimeter. It is nothing but our height, the distance of the card from the center. Therefore the distance of the card from the center is equal to 24 centimeter.